Today I'm gonna show you how to do this clip back style. I'm gonna show you how to do this clip back style, and then the thing I'm gonna use today is the Initial Plenish Moipo hair using oil. So this one gonna make your hair more like smooth and also control the frizzy, give the hydrogenous inside. So what you're gonna do is like do some pumps, and then we'll go even from your hand, rub into your hair. You're gonna give the shine and also control your frizzy. Make your hair more smooth. Today I'm gonna use the Diana hair clip from Birch, and then this one can hold my hair pretty well, and also like it's gonna be a really easy hairstyle. Just need like 10 to 15 seconds. So what you're gonna do is like you're gonna hold your hair all over to the back, and then I'm gonna let you like twist it, put it up. Use your hand, the rest of the hair down, and you've got a clip over here. And then after it's settled, you're gonna pull some hair out, give some volume, put your bands out, and adjust a little. This is really easy hairstyle when you're going to the gym or doing some like works that the hair always bother you. So, and also really looks really stylish. Subscribe for more tutorials and see the products below.